Koobee kids, Koobee learning, Koobee fun, fun, fun!
Hi! Welcome back to the Koobee Kids Fun Time Learning Adventure with me, Koobee. Today, we are exploring the garden and all the delicious, scrumptious food that we can grow on our own. First up, we have one of my favorites, strawberries. Yum, yum, yum. Now, strawberries, you can see we've got them growing on top of straw. That helps keep them dry so they grow really nice. When strawberries start to grow, they come in small and green, and then they grow bigger and they turn red. That's when you know they're ready to eat, when they're red. Oh, I picked it off. I'm gonna taste this red strawberry. It tastes so good. Food tastes even better when you grow it yourself. Oh, look at this. There's more red ones. Yum, yum, yum. Oh. So tasty. These little flowers are how strawberries start their life. The baby strawberries are little white flowers. Isn't that amazing? You can tell a strawberry plant because it has 3 leaves on each of its plants. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's see if we can find some more ripe red strawberries to eat. Yum, yum, yum. Here's a good one. Nice and red. Pick. Oh, so tasty. Oh, here's another one. Nice and red. Ready for picking. Now, strawberries have a little green part on top. You don't want to eat that part. You just want to eat the red part. That's the tasty one. Are there any more? Let's see. Whoa, yes. So red. Pick. Don't eat the green part, just the red part. Yum! Wow! Yay! Strawberries! What an amazingly rewarding plant to grow! Strawberries! You can grow them in your own yard even. Fun, fun, fun! What else do we have in the garden here today? Look over here. It's lettuce. Oh, it's so green and leafy. I'm gonna try eating a leaf. Yummy. Lettuce is a delicious and tasty snack, and it's pretty easy to grow in your own garden. Come on, let's see what else we have here. This is chard. It's another leafy green. Kind of like lettuce, but different. And over here, we have carrots. Oh, you can see this one's starting to pop out a little bit. But deep under the ground, that's where the rest of the carrot grows. And it's orange and tasty and crunchy. Yum. These carrots aren't ready quite yet, but we'll check back later when they will be. Oh, here we have climbing peas. They're wrapping around these bamboo to climb up taller and taller. I love growing climbing peas and climbing beans because you really get to watch them grow and appreciate their development. Oh, I've got something else I want to show you. It's over there, the fig tree. Come and see. Oh, and on our way, let's say hello to our robot friend, Iris. Iris is a good friend of ours. She helps by watering the garden with her watering can. Thanks, Iris. Now on to the fig tree. Here you can see 1, 2, 3 figs are growing on this branch. Now they're not ready for eating yet. I can tell because they're small and hard to the touch. When they get ripe, they'll get bigger and go droopy from the branch. And then we can just pick them and eat them. Yum, yum, yum. I planted this fig tree here about 5 years ago, and slowly it's grown bigger and bigger and produced more and more figs. This year, it looks like we're gonna get 30 figs from this tree. Amazing! Fun, fun, fun. Check out these zucchini plants down here on the ground. Nice big leaves, and behind them, we've got an orange, yellow zucchini flower. As this flower grows bigger, it's gonna turn into a zucchini squash. Look, you can see a baby zucchini down here. It's green and long. Zucchini are great plants to grow in your garden because they produce a lot of tasty vegetables. Zucchini! Fun, fun, fun. Oh, I want to show you my favorite plant in the garden. Raspberries. Come and see the giant raspberry patch over there. All of these plants here are raspberry bushes. Raspberries are kind of similar to strawberries in that they're fruit, and when they're ready to eat, they turn red. Raspberries are a little bit slower to grow than the strawberries. They're not ready for eating quite yet. You can see here, some baby raspberries are starting to grow, but they're very small and they're still green. When these babies turn red, they'll be ready for the eating. Yummy raspberries. I'm so happy that our raspberry bush is doing so well. There's so many baby raspberries growing here. And look at this! It's a treasure chest! I wonder what's inside.
What's in the treasure chest? What could it be? What's in the treasure chest?
Fun for you, fun for me.
What's in the treasure chest? What could it be? What's in the treasure chest?
Let's open it up and see.
Let's open it up and see. This treasure chest has a latch mechanism. You gotta flick it up from the bottom and then flick this piece down. I wonder what's inside. It's seed packets to plant even more food. Fun, fun, fun. Let's see what seeds we've got. There's Swiss chard, a leafy green. There's summer squash, like our zucchini plants. There's red tomatoes. Yummy. And it looks like there's more sugar snap peas. Let's plant some more sugar snap peas. Fun, fun, fun. I think we should plant them over where their friends are so they can be buddies. Yeah. Now on the back of this seed packet, it tells us how we should plant them. It says to plant them 1 inch deep in the ground. That's about that much. And to space them about 1 inch apart. Fun, fun, fun. Let's see what they look like. Oh, cool. It's pea seeds. How many do we have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pea seeds. Fun, fun, fun. Let's put them into the ground. Now to plant seeds, you can just do it with your hands. Here's our friendly climbing plants. Let's put them here. I'm gonna lay them out. And now I'm gonna use my finger and push them into the dirt about 1 inch deep. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There you have it. We planted some seeds. Fun, fun, fun. Oh, I'm so glad that I'm able to show the garden and all these delicious homegrown food to you. Let's take a moment and give thanks.
Let's give thanks.
I am so thankful for the planet that we live on, Mother Earth, who grows all of the plants and hosts all of the animals that we have. And I'm thankful for strawberries. Yum, yum, yum. And I'm thankful for my mom, who taught me how to garden and about the beauty of plants and eating healthy. And I'm thankful for you. Thank you so much for joining me on this amazing adventure of life. I hope to see you again soon on the Koobee Kids Fun Time Learning Adventure with me, Koobee. If you've had a good time, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of the awesome adventures that we have coming soon.
Koobee Kids, Koobee learning, Koobee fun, fun, fun.